Why do my email open rates tank after I switch a domain? I finally set up a new sending domain, my SPF records, my DKIM records, my DMARC records, all green. But the open rates are still crashing. What gives? It's not the content, it's not the audience, it's the domain reputation. And right now, it doesn't have one. So here's the 4 steps to get started in warming up your new email domain. Here's what most business owners just simply don't realize. When you switch to a new sending domain, or a platform like Mailchimp, Go High Level, some other email platform, email providers see you as a stranger. And strangers, well, they don't go to the inbox. They go to promotions, spam, or potentially just get blocked altogether. So here's the simple fix: warm up your domain like a pro. Here's simply how to do it. First, we start with only 50 to 100 emails per day. Really, no more than this. Don't blast your full list right on. Step number 2 is going to be send to your most engaged contacts first. So these are people that traditionally reply, they click, they open these emails, things like that that are actually engaged. Step number 3, keep your emails plain. Keep them personalized. Don't go heavy on the design right from the beginning. Step 4, ask for replies. A simple, quick, let me know you got this, reply with questions. This type of thing builds massive trust inside of the email system. Step number 5, increase your volume slowly. Roll this out over 2 to 4 weeks. Add a few additional batches as you move forward versus just going straight to the full list. Number 6, watch your metrics closely. If open rates start to drop, slow it down, re engage, and warm up that database a little bit more. This process is called domain warming, and it's the missing link between perfect email setup and true real world inbox results. So, to summarize, here are the 4 simple steps to get started in email warming. Step 1, start small. Send a few emails initially to your most engaged contacts. Step number 2, gradually increase this volume over time. Slowly ramp up to larger sends over time. Step number 3, monitor for engagement. Watch your open rates and click rates closely. And finally, step 4, adjust as needed. Tweak your strategy based on engagement and real metrics. For more marketing tips and tricks just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will be back with more tips to help you grow your business and enhance your marketing.